Alright, hey, what's going on, people? My name is Elemental Addictions, and I'm going to be bringing you guys some gameplay today with the wrench. Not the wrench. The butterfly knife. Skull splitter. That's all I got out of the supply drops today, so... So let's get a kill with the skull splitter first. Alright, there we go. Got our first kill. So I got the butterfly knife coming out next.
HCXD ready for deployment.
Friendly care package incoming.
I was actually kind of hoping to get the malice today, but anyway, I've been trying to get the malice. Even when the supply drops were happening and you guys could still get it on the Xbox, I could not get the malice. I got every single weapon that was out at the time. So there we go. Right. So,
Hostile HCXD spotted.
alright, damn it. Died. So let me get this care package out right now. Let's see, let's just put the care package right there. Get the UAV out.
HCXD inbound.
Why do I keep getting Guardians? So, yeah, guys. So, let me just get a kill here with this gun. Let me get a kill with this, and this video will be wrapped up. Damn it. So anyway, guys, see you guys in the next video.